In today's video, I'm going to show you how I take these cooked chicken thighs and shred them in under a minute. Now here I have some cooked chicken thighs that I've poached, but you can do this method in the oven or cooking them any way you want. You just have to make sure they're at room temperature. Now while I could take my chicken thigh and place it on a chopping board and shred it between two forks really easily, if you're doing this in bulk, it can take a while. So what I like to do is take my chicken thighs and place them inside this big measuring bowl. And then the easy way is to take my hand mixer, and like magic, I'm gonna have shredded thighs in under a minute. So I'm gonna place my hand mixer in the bowl all the way in, and I'm gonna start on low speed so my thighs don't go everywhere, and slowly but surely I'm gonna increase the speed, and they shred so easily. Now, if you have some larger pieces, you're just going to move your hand mixer around to make sure you get the ones that's usually stuck on the sides, so all your pieces are shredded nice and even. And just like that, friends, you have finely shredded chicken thighs, which you can use in your favorite soups, enchiladas, any kind of recipes, tacos. I'll leave some below for you. And if chicken is your thing, make sure you watch this next video.